Welcome to Trusted Signals, where you can get buy and sell signal alerts from the comfort of your home or while even on the go. And with the set of these 9 different indicators and 20 plus tools, you can fully customize your alerts to get the confirmation you need before opening your favorite investment app and entering the financial markets. Imagine trading so easy you can let the indicator do all the work and just fall back.
Trusted Signals, let's go!
Now imagine making trading that easy. Trusted Signals has changed the way many traders view the financial markets, making it easier to understand and easier to make money. Plus, who needs a divergence cheat sheet when you have auto divergence with Trusted Signals? Now that's how you get profits. Trusted Signals works with all charts on Tradingview. So if you're looking to trade stocks, crypto, options, futures, or even Forex, Trusted Signals is for you, allowing you to develop a trading system with leading innovative trading tools. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level and get weekly educational trade ideas and the best trading indicator on the planet, invest in yourself by joining Trusted Signals family today. And all you gotta do is press unlock now. See you on the inside.